Hey everyone, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. So today's look is another soft glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. My face, I just woke up, you guys. So it's my son's first day of school and I woke up at 5:30 today, so it's super early. And we're just going to quickly get ready. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to use at the beginning, and I might just kind of fast forward through some parts because I really do need to hurry today. And I just wanted to have my makeup done for the day because it's going to be a long one. And yeah, we'll kind of talk about the first few products, and then anything else I use on my face, I will leave linked down below for sure. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with a serum, which is kind of been my daily routine lately. And I won't really talk about those because they're just samples, but I always use a serum, an eye cream, and a hydrator. And next is the eye cream. I like doing my makeup first thing in the morning because my skin always feels so hydrated and nice. And I'm not sure if I can notice, but I'm not sure if anyone else would really be able to tell, but my skin feels so good because I've been drinking so much water. So water definitely helps, you guys. Right? Sorry, that's the bus going by. And then I'm going to use Melanesia sleeping mask, even though I'm not sleeping. I'm just going to pop it on. And I do moisturize my neck as well. So I'm going to start with a primer. I'm going to be using my Tatcha the Liquid Silk Canvas. Okay, next I'm going to use my foundation. So this is my Tarte Foundcealer in 35G Medium Golden. And I'm going to use my Sigma F79 Concealer Blend Kabuki. I've been using it for foundation, and I kind of like it. It's not bad. I'm just going to apply it in a very thin layer. And if you find your foundation is drying up a little bit, just give your face a quick spray with some setting mist or put some on your brush, which is another trick. And it just freshens it up right away. That's pretty good. For concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. This is light neutral. And before we actually put that on, I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Peach Concealer for underneath my eyes. And of course my Sigma P84 precision angled brush. Then we'll go in with the Shape Tape. And this process really helps to brighten my eyes. Okay, while I'm at it, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is just the anti-aging one. And I use it to cover the entire eye area. And then for powder, we're going to try Jeffree Star's new Luminous setting powder. I'll use the shade Beige. I'm just using a tiny bit to start with my F35 by Sigma. So I don't use too much powder, just enough to set the concealer in place. Next, it's brow time. So we're going to skip through this part just to make things faster. I am using my Urban Decay Brow Blade in Cool Cookie. I love the pencil on this. But first, we need to brush through the brows. So we use a spoolie. This is the E29 by Morphe. Let's just give them a quick brush through. Okay, while I was doing my brows and I did line my eyes as well, I used this Morphe pencil in the shade Regal. So I just added it to my lower waterline, and it's like this really pretty coppery color. So then we are going to go straight in with the shadow. We'll come back to the cheeks and bronze and put some blush on after. And I want to go for more of a fall look today. So I will start with burnt orange in the crease as a very quick look here. I will use an E35 by Sigma. Okay, I'm going to switch to my E25 now. I'm going to go right in with a sienna, which is more of a redder toned. We're going to stick to the crease with this one. I'm going to switch back to my E35 to blend this out. And I'm going to go on the lid with the bronze shade here. And that one I'm going to take a wet brush, but I will be using this E55 eye shading brush. So I'll just spray some MAC Fix Plus on it. And then going on the outer crease with Mulberry, which is the darker red color in the palette. And I'm going to use my E33 diffused crease brush. Make sure you tap off your brush with this because it's very dark. I'm going to use my Veramona color switch and just take off some of the color on that brush so I can continue blending it out. I'm tapping into orange soda a little bit just to blend out up here, and then back into sienna to blend it out. And then on the lower lash line, I'm just going to add more of that bronze shade. And with this, I'll use a pencil brush. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of bronze to the rest of my face. And I'm going to use my Benefit Coralista blush on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to use my Total Temptation by Maybelline, but before we do that, I'm actually just going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and right before we do that, we're going to add some highlighter. So I'm going to use my Mary Lou by the Balm because it's a little bit more, kind of a little bit more golden toned than like a pinker type of shade. I'm going to use this tiny little L04 lip brush to add some to the inner corners. Underneath the brow bone. And then I'm going to use my Spotlight Duster, the F03, to add some to my cheekbones, my nose, chin, Cupid's bow, in between the brows. And we'll be right back after mascara is applied. Okay, mascara is all done, and as for lip gloss, I'm not going to do a full lip today because I just don't have the time. I'm going to use the gloss by Jeffree Star in the shade Pretzel Drip. So we're just going to put this on top. They smell so good, you guys. And that is it for today's makeup look. So I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. So when I first saw this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I didn't think you could get that dark of looks, but I was like, what am I thinking? There's a black in there. So you can really spice things up with this palette. But I love the combination of this mulberry shade with the bronze shade, which is actually, I think it might be a bronze, I guess, but to me it kind of looks more gold, but it just screams fall to me. So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this early morning look. And if you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I'd love if you subscribed. Don't forget to click the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And we'll talk to you again very soon. Bye.